Good day everyone, this is Engineer Jom Dikia. So guys, nais ko lang kayong i-invite sa aking upcoming event. So dalawa po yung aking upcoming event this March and April 2024. So una nyan guys is yung sa darating na March 24 to 25, 2024, yung ating Engineering Math and Science Refresher Batch 3. So the subjects included na ating pag-aaralan is itong mga to, algebra, trigonometry, analytic geometry or pre-cal, differential and integral calculus, differential equations, statics and dynamics of rigid bodies, and lastly is engineering economics or engineering economy. So yung mga past board exam problems guys, is-solve natin. Tapos ituturo ko sa inyo yung mga approach kung paano i-solve yung mga yon para makatulong sa inyong upcoming board exam and review sa school. So this is a 2-day event. So March 24 to 25, 2024 at exactly 6 PM to 8 PM via Google Meet. So may bayad po yung ating event na yan. So 200 pesos lang guys para sa 2 days event na yan. May inclusions na yan guys na free handouts, and also mabibigyan po lahat kayo ng recorded copy noong live event. Pero the day after pa ng mismong live event yon. Okay? So kung gusto nyo humabol sa ating event guys, may inopen pa akong 5 slot for this. So message nyo lang ako sa aking Facebook account, Engineer Jom Digia yung aking Facebook page, or you can comment on this video para makapag-reply ako sa inyo at makapag-usap tayo regarding the slot para sa inyo. Also, on April 12 to 13, may event din ako na isa pa. Ito naman guys is Casio FX 570S Plus Calculator Techniques webinar. So, subjects included, ayan, nandiyan nakalista dyan guys, So, algebra, trigo, differential and integral calculus, differential equations, statics and dynamics of rigid bodies, and engineering economy. So, again, same yung fee, 200 pesos. 2 days event yan guys, April 12 to 13, 2024, 4 to 6 PM via Google Meet also. Free handouts, free recorded copy of the live event will be given to you. If you want to enhance your skills in calculator techniques, come and join us. Okay? So, deadline naman ng payment nito is on first week of April. So, don't miss this upcoming events guys, Mauuna itong batch 3 ng Math and Science Refresher. So, next is the calculator techniques na ako rin yung mag-host guys. So, sana ay makasama kayo at makatulong sa inyo itong mga event na to. Okay? So, for inquiries, kung gusto nyo sumali, comment lang kayo sa video na to, and message nyo ako sa aking Facebook page, Engineer Jom Digia. Okay? So, yun lang po yung aking mga nais na i-announce ngayong gabi sa video na to. So, maraming salamat guys sa panonood. Hopefully, makasama kayo sa mga upcoming events na to. God bless guys, and have a good day to all.